Contract. A contract is a legally enforceable agreement between two or more parties that creates mutual rights and obligations, where each party promises to do or not to do something in exchange for lawful consideration. Specific definition as per Indian Contract Act, 1872 Section -2H. A contract is an agreement enforceable by law. EPC, engineering, procurement and construction. A contract model in which the contractor is fully responsible for engineering, design, procurement of materials and equipment, and construction of the project, and hands over a completed, functional facility to the employer within the agreed time, cost, and performance parameters. Power plants, industrial, metro, highways, railways, India, Middle East, GCC, Africa, BOT. Build, operate, transfer. A public-private partnership, PPP, contract in which the concessionaire designs, builds, finances, operates, and maintains an infrastructure asset for a specified concession period, and transfers the asset to the government or authority at the end of that period, usually at no cost and in good operating condition. Highways, toll roads, ports, power plants, India, China, South America, Africa. HAM, hybrid annuity model. A public-private partnership, PPP, road contract model in which the project is constructed on EPC basis, with 40% of the project cost paid by the authority during construction, and the remaining 60% paid as fixed annuity payments to the concessionaire by the authority during the operation and maintenance period, along with interest, while traffic risk is borne by the authority. National, state highways. India, BOT. Build, own, operate, transfer. A contract model in which the contractor or concessionaire designs, builds, finances, owns, operates, and maintains an infrastructure asset for a defined concession period, and transfers ownership of the asset to the employer or government authority at the end of the concession period, in an agreed operating condition. Roads, airports, utilities. India, Asia, Latin America, DB. Design and build, a contract model in which the contractor is responsible for both the design and construction of the project, based on the employer's requirements, and delivers the works as a single-point responsibility for time, cost, quality, and performance. Buildings, highways, bridges, airports. India, UK, Australia, Singapore, DBFOT. Design, build, finance, operate, transfer. An integrated public-private partnership, PPP, contract model in which the concessionaire is responsible for designing, building, financing, operating, and maintaining the infrastructure asset for a specified concession period, after which the asset is transferred to the government or authority in a pre-agreed condition. Highways, metro, ports. India, South Asia, Africa, item rate contract. Bill of quantities, BOQ. A contract type in which the contract price is based on unit rates quoted against individual BOQ items, and payment is made for actual quantities executed and measured at site, at the agreed rates, irrespective of estimated quantities in the BOQ. Government civil works, roadworks. India, UK, Middle East, lump sum contract. A contract type in which the contractor agrees to execute the entire scope of work for a fixed total price, and the contract value does not change due to variation in actual quantities, unless there is a change in scope or contractual provisions for variation. Metro viaduct construction, residential complexes. India, USA, UK, Australia, turnkey contract. A contract model in which the contractor is responsible for the complete delivery of a fully functional and operational facility, including design, procurement, construction, testing, commissioning, and handover, so that the employer can turn the key and immediately operate the project. Industrial plants, IT parks, water treatment. India, Middle East, GCC, cost-plus contract. A contract type in which the contractor is reimbursed for the actual costs incurred in executing the work, such as labor, materials, equipment, and overheads, together with an agreed fee or profit margin, usually expressed as a percentage or fixed amount, with limited cost risk to the contractor. Pilot water treatment, experimental power plants. USA, Canada, Middle East, PPP, public-private partnership. A project delivery model in which the government authority and private sector entity collaborate for the development, financing, construction, operation, and maintenance of infrastructure or public services, with risks and rewards allocated between the parties as per the contract. Highways, ports, airports, urban infra.